y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this Janet collection unit in the style Tupi, and I got it in the color 1B. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. Off rip, you can see that it has this beautiful yaki texture to it. This is how the lace look. It looks really good. It looks very natural, and it is a 360, so the lace goes around the entire head. Also, you'll see me looking to the side. I was recording a TikTok video while filming. Okay, first thing I'm doing is cutting my lace into 3 sections, and then I'm gonna work on my middle section first. Today, I'll be using the Esha Melt and Spray Janet Collection Adhesive Spray to install this lace. Also, I forgot to mention that off camera, I did cut off the back of this 360 lace for an easier install process. I'm blow drying on a cool to medium heat setting until the lace is fully glued down. Then you want to apply those same steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. I'm going back in with that same adhesive spray, and I'm spraying a small amount of that spray on top of the lace to give the lace a melted look and for a longer hold as well. Make sure you are also going in with a blow dryer on a medium heat setting to dry the adhesive spray. Then I went in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, and this step will help you get that natural melted lace look. Now it is time to cut the lace off. I like to cut the lace off in sections, and when I do cut the lace, I like to cut in a zigzag motion to give the lace a natural look. Going back in with that same adhesive spray, I'm applying a small amount of that spray on top of the lace, and I'm just laying down the areas that did not fully glue down the first time. I went in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 16, and I'm using the lightest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. I like going in with my fingers to blend in the foundation to give it more of a natural look. I've decided to style this unit as a middle part, and as you can see, the parting space on this unit is very deep. I love that. I believe it is a 6-inch deep parting space. Then I went in with my hot comb on the lowest heat setting to flatten down the foundation of the wig. I wanted to do baby hairs with this unit, so I pulled out a thin layer of hair to work with because for me, I personally feel like the thinner the baby hairs are, the more natural the baby hairs will look. I went in with my edge flat iron to curl the baby hairs downwards to give it that fluffy baby hair look. To style my edges, I went in with the Tupi Bee Instaflex Hold adhesive spray, and I like to use the adhesive spray because it makes the baby hairs look so much more natural, and it doesn't weigh the baby hairs down. It doesn't give it that flat baby hair look. Now it's time to detangle this hair and comb out these curls. I went in with my vent brush to comb out these curls, and when it comes to this type of style and curl pattern, you do want to be careful, especially with a synthetic wig, because if you brush the hair too much, you can lose the curl pattern. You want to make sure you are brushing the hair from the bottom and then working your way up to the top to prevent any tangles and knots. I'm using my hot comb on the lowest heat setting to push up the front of this hair and just elevate it to give it a certain look. I went in with the Ebin Wig Knots concealer in the color medium beige to enhance my parting space. Lastly, I'm just going back in with my vent brush and touching up the hair, trying to figure out how I want it to be styled. And here we have the final look of Janet Collection Tupi, and I love this outcome. There's so many things that I love about this unit, starting off with the hair texture. That light kinky texture just makes the hair look so natural. Another thing that I love about this unit is the curl pattern. This hair looks so fluffy. It just gives off that fluffy volume wand curl look, and I love that. Love how deep this parting space is, which gives this unit a more natural look. And here is how the back of the unit look. The lace blended so well with my skin tone, and overall I love this unit. I mean, I will buy this unit again and again and again. I received so many compliments, and it's just so appealing and satisfying to the eye. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below on how you like this unit and stay tuned for my next video.